A man named Chandan Devnath loses his life after an unknown DI vehicle hit the scooty with number TR07F-5605. A man resident was at Khorang colony area of Chorilam. This incident took place at Jangalia village of Bishalgarh on Tuesday. There was mild argument between fire service officer and police officers on Tuesday based on the incident. Reason behind was to take up the corpse of the man. Because of that, the corpse of Chandan Devnath was kept for 30 minutes on standby at fire service vehicle. As per report, Chandan Devnath of Khorang colony, Chorilam, while on the way to his home at Jangalia area, an unknown DI car hit his scooty from behind, and with that, he loses his life on the spot. Later, the Bishalgarh Police and Fire Service Department reached at the location as soon as they got the report of the incident. Later, the corpse was taken to Bishalgarh Hospital.
পাঁচটা পিছে কোনখানে হয়েছে ঘটনাটা? ওই তো জানেন স্কুলের লোকে। হ্যাঁ, নামটাম জানেন নাকি? না না, নামটাম জানেন না। না, গাড়িটা পাওয়া গেছে ঘটনাস্থলে? না না, গাড়ি বাড়ি দিয়ে গেছে। গেছে না? ট্রেন নিয়ে গেছে।
However, there was mild argument between fire service officer and police officers on Tuesday based on the incident. Reason behind was to take up the corpse of the man. Because of that, the corpse of Chandan Devnath was kept for 30 minutes on standby at fire service vehicle. Later, after the family members reached at the location, the corpse of Chandan Devnath was taken off from the car.
মানে লাস্টটা ফুরে গেছে আপনার গাড়িতে? 15-20 মিনিট হয়েছে। বিশালগড় থানা কোনো এটা মানে পদক্ষেপ করতেছে না? না, তারা আইছে যে লোক নাই, তারা ধরতেছে না। দেখছি দেন TSR মানে বিশালগড় থানা পুলিশও আছে, তারা ধরে না? না, তারা ধরছে না। তারা কি কো? TSR ধরতো না, তারা ধরতো না।
The day before this incident, Chandan Devnath's wife scorched by fire. Now, the family members of the victim are deeply disheartened by the incident. However, police of Bishalgarh are now in search of the vehicle that hit the man. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.